Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this motor replacement. You'll need a T10 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or parts. First, ensure your Dyson SV12 is unplugged. Start by removing the dustbin. Simply press the button located on the side and lift it off. Set it aside as we won't need it during this process. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your T10 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull off the back panel. Be cautious as there may be some clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws or clips. With the back panel off, you will now see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. Cleaning this area is crucial as it can affect the performance of your vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to wipe away any buildup. Now, locate the motor's wiring harness. Carefully disconnect it by pulling it straight out. Make sure to remember where each wire connects, as this will be important when installing the new motor. Next, use your T10 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 3 screws to take out. Once removed, you can gently lift the motor out of its housing. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the motor in place. Reconnect the wiring harness, making sure each wire is securely connected to its corresponding terminal. If you find yourself uncertain about this, keep in mind that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assist you in ensuring everything is connected correctly. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully align the back panel with the vacuum body and press it into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel, ensuring it is fitted properly. Before you put the dustbin back, take a moment to double-check your work. Ensure there are no loose screws or parts. If you're feeling overwhelmed or don't have the tools for this job, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Once you've confirmed everything is secure, replace the dustbin by aligning it with the slot and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV12 and test it to ensure the new motor is working properly. If you encounter any issues or aren't entirely confident in your repair skills, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel required, we can handle everything for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.